Whether optimizing existing designs to cut weight or quickly gaining insight on new projects, Topology Study offers designers many new options to speed the development of highly optimized products. Many designs have constraints that go beyond stiffness and weight. Design failure from frequency response is a very common issue. Topology Study in SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2019 includes a frequency constraint to ensure the resulting topology will meet your design's vibration requirements. Users can specify a single or multiple mode shapes and have options for frequency ranges to stay within or exclude. Additionally, users can apply a stress or factor of safety constraint to ensure the resulting topology will meet this design goal. Using the Compare Results tool, we can quickly visualize the topology differences from adding the 150 Hz minimum frequency constraint. Finally, the smoothed mesh results can be directly exported to a solid mesh body for easier use in downstream processes. With Topology Study, finding the ideal shape to meet your design requirements is easier and faster than ever, speeding the design to manufacture process.